me just give y'all a quick overview of what I have, okay? Everything is actually organized by day. I have columns organized by day. I know it don't look like it, but I do. So here I've got Thursday, Friday, this whole column, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, okay? And then Monday is a travel outfit. It's way over there, okay? All right, y'all. I got my large sized luggage. Let's get started. So usually I pack my bag with what I'm going to need first on top and then what I need last on the bottom. So this should tell me how heavy my luggage is. The only problem is you have to like hold it up, okay? And it's supposed to tell you. 28.3 pounds. And in my carry-on, I like to keep my heavier and my more expensive items. So that way they don't get lost, I know where they are, and they don't contribute to the weight of my check bag. We did good. I mean, usually I'm overpacked, for sure overpacked. That's why I can't wait till last minute, because usually if I'm overpacked, overweight, so then I gotta figure, okay, what can I take out? What can I replace? Okay, so it pays to start early. First of all, it pays to start early. Preparation is the key, and organization, because if I lay everything out and I know what I already have, then I can also see what shoes I need to bring and not bring. Okay, so next time I see y'all, I should be on my way to the airport, okay? And just like that, my bed is cleaned off, okay? I can actually get in my bed. I like this, okay? I like being prepared. Make sure that you are including joyful things in your life, things to help balance out the responsibilities that we have day to day. That drains me. It drains me, and so I need something to fill the meter back up. That could be multiple things. That could be anything. I like traveling. I like shopping. Okay, clearly, if you look at my channel, you know I like traveling and shopping. Okay, I like looking good, feeling good. I like good experiences. Fill your meter back up. Do the things you enjoy, that you love. No matter what people think about it, don't let nobody tell you what you can and cannot do. This is your life. This is your money. Other thing, upcoming Beyonce concert. Stay tuned for that. That's another reason why I had to pack early. So, y'all have a good night. Have a good week. I'll be back, okay? We shall talk some more. Stay tuned. Have a good night, y'all. Bye. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Mahogany_Glow. And that's Mahogany with the E at the end. On TikTok, Mahogany_Glow. Facebook, Mahogany Glow. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much.